Namaste. Welcome to Tea Yoga and Life. And thank you so much for joining me this session again. This week is International Yoga Week, and on 21st of June, everyone celebrates International Yoga Day. So this pranayam session I want to dedicate to International Yoga Day with the thought of Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya. That means may all human beings are happy, healthy and without any disease. In this session, I'm going to do practice of Kapalbhati. But before we start discussing and practicing about Kapalbhati, let's understand what is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati came from two Sanskrit words. Kapal, which is skull, and Bhati is the fireplace. So Kapalbhati is skull shining breath. Now let's talk about the benefit part of Kapalbhati and whom should avoid it. Kapalbhati is a very effective Kriya action in Hatha Yoga. It not only energizes the brain cells but also it's a very good Kriya action for your digestive system. It removes any blockage in the heart as well as in your lungs and also increases oxygen supply to different body parts. And it's a very relaxing Kriya for your different type of headache, and with the regular practice you can be skilled in this. Now coming to whom should avoid. Any person who has hernia or epilepsy or gone through pacemaker or any issue with backache, especially related to slip disc, they should avoid it. And always it's a good practice to consult your doctor or your yoga guru before you practicing any asana. And also this kriya involves the contraction of your abdomen muscle, so it's not a good practice or not recommended during your menstrual cycle as well as just after your pregnancy. So these are some of the things we need to keep in mind before start doing Kapalbhati. So let's start about the practice of Kapalbhati. So first, sit comfortably either in Sukhasana position where your legs are cross-legged and your feet are almost touching the floor, or if you are comfortable you can go for Padmasana position. It's completely your choice. And if you cannot sit on the ground, you can always use a chair by keeping your both feet on the floor, making sure your spine is in upright position, in its natural position, not bent. It should be upright and straight. Looking forward, rotate your shoulder back so that you release any pressure or tension over neck and shoulder area, and your both hands are on the knees, making sure your palms are facing up towards the sky. For beginners who just started Kapalbhati, to feel the practice of breath, they can just put one hand on their abdomen, on their stomach, so that when we contract our abdomen muscle, they can feel that what exactly is happening. So once we are in this position, after that we can start working on Kapalbhati practice. In Kapalbhati, we have to inhale naturally through nose, but with exhale, we will contract our abdomen muscle in towards the spine, squeezing it inside and exhaling forcefully through nose. So I will show you two to three sample breaths, and after that we will do 15 to 20 breaths for round one together. So let's see. Inhale in naturally. Exhaling, I'm contracting my abdomen muscle inside towards the spine and exhaling forcefully through nose. Now I will do for 15 to 20 more breaths as per my physical ability. That is round one. If you are done with your 15 to 20 breaths, release your hand from your abdomen and you can put your hand on your way Keeping your eyes closed, come back to your natural breath. Breathe naturally and just observe the sensations, the vibration, the energy which is created within your skull, brain cells, as well as inside your body. And breathe naturally and just relax. Now you can gently open your eyes and you can do 2 more rounds. Each round starting from 15 to 20 breaths and then again taking breath for few seconds and going for round 3. Remember, we should always perform this kriya, this activity with empty stomach only, but not with the heavy stomach. So this was Kapalbhati, another breathing technique. Hope you liked it and you will practice whenever you get time with empty stomach. If you have any question related to Kapalbhati, drop your questions in the comment section. And if you liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much. Namaste.